Friends, welcome to the series Bird Watching Aquatic Birds, episode number 11. Black-cowed night heron bird is one of the six varieties of Indian heron birds. This bird is a medium-sized stocky bird, and the bird is known for its nocturnal behavior and bright plumage. The adult bird shows glossy black crown and upper back, often with a bluish green sheen during the breeding season. Wing and tail are slate grey colored. The underparts are white to pale grey. During breeding season, two long and slender plumes can be seen extending from back of head. The eyes are red and legs turn reddish yellow during breeding season. Juvenile heron birds look very different from adult birds. Juvenile has brown to grey-brown plumage, heavily streaked and spotted with white or buff. Eyes are yellow, legs are greyish to black, and there is no crown or plumes on head. Night herons are crepuscular to nocturnal, which means they are active during dusk, night, and early morning. During the daytime, they roost on dense trees or reeds near water, but at dusk they fly out with a distinctive deep "wuk wuk" or "quack quack" call. Night herons are ambush predators. They stand motionless near water edge and strikes with a quick lunge. The diet includes fish, frog, tadpoles, crustaceans, insects, larvae, shrimp, crabs, small reptiles, earthworms, and turtles. The powerful digestive acids can dissolve small bones also. Breeding season starts from spring to summer. Nests are built in colonies in trees, reed beds, marshes, or on islands near the water or sometimes over the water. A female bird lays 3 to 5 bluish green eggs, and both parental birds share the incubation duties for a period of 24 to 26 days. After incubation, chicks remain in nest for 4 to 6 weeks, and parent feed the chicks by regurgitation, feeding the partially digested feed. The eastern cattle egret bird is one of the most familiar and widely distributed wetland aquatic bird. Cattle egret is known for its close association with grazing cattle, buffalo, and even farm machinery. This intelligent bird has successfully adapted to both natural and wetlands and human dominated landscapes. Its striking white plumage, graceful movements, and unique feeding behavior make it one of the most recognizable member of Egret family. There are four varieties of egret birds: the great egret, the intermediate egret, the little egret, and the cattle egret. Among all, the great egret is a large and white bird with a long yellow bill, whereas intermediate egret is medium sized in between great and little egret. Small egret is a very small and slender bird, and cattle egret are shorter neck with thick body and often seen following cattle and tractors to catch insects. The remarkable feeding strategy of this bird has earned its name cattle egrets as it follows cattle, tractors, and other machinery. During the non-breeding season, the bird is almost entirely white with yellow legs and bright yellow bill, whereas during the breeding season, it undergoes a remarkable transformation. Soft golden buff or orange plumes appear on the head, neck, breast, and back of both male and female birds. The bill may become orange or reddish, while the legs often turn reddish to pink. These colorful feathers make the breeding adults exceptionally attractive. Young birds are resemble adult in the eastern cattle egret is highly social and usually feeds in small groups or large flocks. At sunset, hundreds or even thousands of birds gather at communal roots in tall trees near water bodies. These birds are excellent flyers, traveling long distance between feeding grounds and roosting sites. They communicate with harsh croaking calls, especially during the breeding season. The eastern cattle egrets feed on grasshoppers, crickets, beetles, dragonflies, caterpillars, spiders, frog, tadpole, small fish, crab, earthworms, and occasionally they feed on lizards, snakes, mice, and small birds. The breeding season generally occurs from June to September, although the time varies depending upon the arrival of monsoon. During the courtship, male displays their beautiful buff-orange breeding plumes and perform elaborate stretchings, bowing, wing spreading, and bill pointing displays to attract females. Once a pair forms, both birds participate in nest building and raising the young chicks. Nests are usually built on trees growing near lakes, rivers, marshes, reservoirs, and mangroves. The nest consists of a platform made up of sticks and twigs aligned with smaller branches. The female lays 3 to 5 pale blue eggs. Both parents share the incubation duties, which last for about 22 to 26 days. Chicks hatch covered with soft white down and they are completely dependent upon their parents. Both adults feed them by regurgitation, partially digested food directly to their mouth. As they grow, chicks become active and begin climbing around nearby branches before they are able to fly. Young birds usually leave the nest after 30 to 35 days, although parents continue feeding them for another week or two. The survival of chicks depends greatly on food availability and protection from predators such as crows, kites, snakes, and monitor lizards. So, friends, that's all from my side for this episode. Thank you for watching. I will be back shortly with some interesting wildlife videos. Thank you very much.